Create employees. Welcome to BusyBeeManager.com. Mike is the owner of a small diner in Honolulu, Hawaii. He recently signed up for the Plus plan at BusyBeeManager.com and configured the application for his needs in the Settings tab. He knows that the system can help him auto-assign shifts based on the data that he submits about his scheduling needs and his employees' availability. So right now, he wants to enter the correct data about his employees to have their proper foundation for his scheduling process. Many of his employees only do part-time, others study and can only work specific days, and may only be competent to fill in only one type of shift. And in the middle of it all, they ask for days off. Mike clicks on the Employees tab and goes to the Employee Overview. Here, he sees a list of employees that he has already added. He still has a few employees to create, so he clicks Add Employee. He quickly fills in the details for Patrick Laffer, his name, and the agreed number of weekly hours he should work. He checks the role Daytime Worker and is done for now. He could start scheduling now, actually, but he's curious and clicks Patrick's icon in the roster to explore the options of BusyBeeManager. He is happy to see the initials have already been filled in automatically. He could also add a picture of Patrick, but decides to leave that for Patrick himself. Mike enters the email address of Patrick so he can receive his schedules by email. He then clicks Email Credentials. That will send login information to Patrick and allow him to log in and manage his personal information and see or print the schedule. But more importantly, Patrick can submit his own availability and request days off. That's a definite time saver for Mike. He used to spend hours figuring out when people could or couldn't work. If Mike wanted to, he could make Patrick an administrator and thus allow him to manage the scheduling for Mike. Mike has a plan to delegate the scheduling task later when his business has grown, so he keeps the option in mind. Patrick can handle both morning and evening shifts, so he gets a check mark for both daytime and nighttime worker. He is at school every Wednesday and Friday, so Mike removes the check marks from these available weekdays. Patrick has agreed to work 20 hours a week so he can keep up with his studying while earning a little money on the side. Mike probably won't be able to hit this number exactly, but it is better to have something to aim for, and it is one of the things that bugs him when he does scheduling manually as he used to. His hourly rate is $10. He finally presses Save and returns to the Employee Overview to see that Patrick is now on the roster. He then carries on and creates records for his other employees in the same manner. Next step will be to define his staffing needs